What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. You fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Amelia. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another ACV weight loss video. This time, you guys, I wanted to try the ACV drink for 3 weeks. And for this, I decided to do 3 weeks because as a woman, as a girl, you know, we go through a lot in a month. And I felt like during that time of month, there's a lot of bloating. There's a lot of, you know, you actually kind of gain weight. Some people do. And I feel like that wasn't a good experimental time. So I drank the ACV drink for 3 weeks, going through that time of the month and finally to the end of that time of the month. And I wanted to do the results that way. So this time around, I added something different. I added this green tea packet. This green tea makes the drink so much better. I got that from a girl here on YouTube. I'll leave her channel down below. But if you do struggle drinking the ACV, you find it like that doesn't taste really good, I highly recommend if you take it in the morning to take it with green tea. Green tea, of course, has its own benefits. I'll pop some up over here. But green tea itself is great. Added the green tea packet, the lemon, the honey, the ACV, you really are good to go. And again, I drink mine warm like an actual tea. So that's just my preference, but you could also wait till it cools down and drink it cold too if that's what you want to do. Also with ACV, especially the Bragg's brand, they've come out with so many different types now. There's ACV that comes with honey in it already. There's ACV probiotic, which I just picked up, and that has a honey lemon flavor as well. So I think you should definitely shop around if you really just despise the taste of ACV, but you want to try this out, you want to add it to your weight loss routine, definitely shop around. I know Target has a tons of different kinds, and your local grocery store, of course. And I'll leave some down below in the description box, so you just click and shop from there. Also, I got a lot of questions about like my workout routine, what I ate during this whole process. If you want to know like a eating in a day kind of thing, when I eat clean, and maybe like a workout routine that I follow, let me know. I'll definitely record that for you guys. I will say during this time, I did work out at least 3 to 4 times a week, and that's mostly a lot of weight training. I didn't do cardio as much. I really want to try to amplify my cardio, but mostly weight training 3 to 4 times a week. And I did eat relatively clean. I definitely could eat so much cleaner, but during the week I really try to eat clean, and the weekends, you know, the weekends, they're great. Without further ado, here is future Nelia at the end of this 3-week experiment, giving you guys my final results and just bringing it down for you. So take a look. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. We're back, and somehow, some way, I actually did this challenge for a month. I was just like, let me just do a whole month. Like, you know, it's 3, you might as well make it 4. And a lot goes on in a month. You know, you have your time of the month, so your weight's fluctuating and you're bloated and you're not bloated. And I just wanted a whole month just to see altogether, you know, how this drink works. So this challenge, this round, I just mostly drank it at night, the ACV. And to be honest, I did skip maybe altogether 4 days or so. I just wasn't able to drink ACV because I was traveling or I just forgot. So yeah, pretty much it was becoming habit for sure to just grab some ACV before bed with a little bit of honey and then drink it. So we're going to do some measurements. We're going to do a weigh-in. We're going to see how we did. I do have the original sticky that we started with. Super excited. And we're just going to weigh ourselves and take our measurements and do our body fat percentage according to my scale. I'm going to link my scale down below. It came pretty high, recommended. So I have no complaints about it. It connects to your phone. It's pretty nifty. So we're about to go do that.
Yeah. Yeah. Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around.
Okay guys, so weighed myself, distant measurements. So I didn't lose any weight. I didn't gain any weight. Your girl just stayed right here. We're at the same weight I started with. That can be a good or bad thing. Take it as you will. Fat percentage, I went down like 1%. My waist, I did lose an inch. So this isn't much of a difference from when I did it for 2 weeks. Not that much of a difference. So this just goes to show that this ACV is a helpful little a tool. I will say the ACV does help with cravings, and it does help keep your bowels moving. Okay. That's what I would say this drink is good for. Maybe if you drink it twice a day, you'll have even super more effects. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so really it just comes down to the simple dieting and exercise. If you guys want to see what I'm actually doing this month of September and to the rest of the year, actually I'm trying to lose at least, I'm not even gonna say that number, I'm trying to lose some pounds before my birthday, which is in November. So if you guys want to follow along with me and like see what I'm eating, see the workouts I'm doing, I'm in the gym, y'all. Okay, your girl got a little mountain, a little hill. I do love lifting weights, but I do want to incorporate more cardio so we can get some more fat burning and just a whole lot of movement going on, you know. So if you guys want to follow along with me, let me know down below, and I can make more videos about like what I'm eating, how I'm working out, apparently how I'm maintaining, you know, because I do think part of this is losing weight but also gaining muscle, which is kind of why I kind of stick where I am. I've been that weight for a minute now, so we're gonna have to incorporate more cardio and really clean up our diet some more. So I do have plans to do that. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this insightful. If you do want to try the ACV, see how it reacts with your body. I do recommend to just not drink the drink and then eat McDonald's. Yeah, I do think you should definitely drink the drink and try to eat as clean as possible and get some movement going, you know. So it's not a miracle drink. I'm dismantling all that. But I do think it's a really cool, really helpful supplement to incorporate into your diet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you have any other drinks or recipes you think I should try that can help with weight loss. I'd love to try them out. I'm open for it. Also, let me know down below if you want to see some more what I eat in a day type of videos, or even working out videos, work out with me type of things, see what I'm doing, see how I'm keeping up with my weight loss journey. Let me know down below, and like this video and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.